Alright, Excel Tutorial 8, pages 507 through 510. You need to start on 506 and read about conditional formatting. We've done conditional formatting in the past, and I know that you're already somewhat familiar with it, but you need to read this because we're going to be going just, one step farther with it this time. So go ahead, pause this video, read everything that's on page 506, and when you're finished reading it, come on back and we'll start at the top of page 507. All right, 507, we should be in EVG Employees Workbook on our Employee Data Worksheet. All right, select the data in column A. So select row 2 through 101. Okay, so we want the data in column A. Just go ahead and zip down it. Okay. On the ribbon, click the Home tab if you're not already there. Okay, in the Styles group, which is right here, click the Conditional Formatting button. Point to Highlight Cell Rules, and then click Duplicate Values. It's the very last one down there. Do you see it? The Duplicate Values dialog box opens. Step number 5. Click the Values with arrow to display a list of formatting options. Okay, Values with, and there's the arrow. So go all the way to the bottom and select Custom Format to create a format that is not in the list. The Format Cells dialog box opens. You'll change the background fill color to red. Okay, click the Fill tab, and then in the background color palette, it's your background color, and this is the palette down here, click red, the second color in the last row. It's right there. Click the OK button. Then click the next OK button. Scroll the table to ensure that no duplicate values are found, and then select cell A2. Okay, so nothing turned red. So click on A2. Go ahead and read that quick little paragraph. And let's go to test the duplicate values conditional formatting. Click the name box. Enter A101 and press your enter key. So that just takes you to A101. In cell A101, enter 1002. Press your enter key. The ID changes from 1398 to 1002, and cell A101 is filled with red because it contains a duplicate ID. See figure 8-35 on the next page. Press Control Home. Cell A2 has a red background fill because it contains the same ID that you entered in cell A101. The conditional formatting correctly identified the duplicate values. Okay, do you see what it did? You had two employee IDs that are the same. So it's going to turn them both red so that you can see it, and you'll know that you have a problem because they have to be unique identifiers, correct? All right, let's go ahead and go on. All right, read page 508 using the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager, and then we're going to move up to the top of page 509 to change the duplicate values fill color using the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting button and then click Manage Rules. The very last thing at the bottom, you see it? The Conditional Formatting Rules Manager dialog box opens, listing all the formatting rules for the current selection, which in this case is the employee table. Step 2. Verify that the Show Formatting Rules for box shows this table. Okay, Show Formatting Rules for box equals this table. All the rules currently in effect in the employee tables are displayed. You can add new rules and edit or delete existing rules. You can also control which formatting rules are displayed in the dialog box, such as all rules in a specific worksheet or table. See figure 8-36. Click the Edit Rule button. See it right there? Click Edit Rule. The Edit Formatting Rule dialog box opens. See figure 8-37 on 509. Okay, go ahead and flip to page 510, please. Step number 4. Click the Format button. It's right there. The Format Cells dialog box opens. Click the Fill tab if it's not already there, which it is because we just used it. If not, click on it. And then in the background color palette, click Gold, the third color in the last row. Right there. Click the OK button in each dialog box. The duplicate records in the table are formatted with the gold background color instead of the red we originally had. So you just learned how to edit a conditional formatting rule. Okay? To correct the duplicate ID, make cell A101 the active cell and then enter 1398. Okay, so we're going to switch it back to what it was. As soon as you hit your Enter key, you can see that the gold formatting disappears because it's no longer a duplicate record. Go ahead and go Control Home, and you'll see that this one also has no background formatting on it because it's correct. All right, go ahead and click Save, and you are ready to move on to your next video.